So after the doctor tried in the patient's mouth and still had the issue with the pink color and the shape and the value. So now we finally changed the color. So we received the 5 implant, and then we ordered the strum and left analogs made by Vision 1, and doctor sent to us the image about this. So we print it in and out, inside out. So we make the good printed, all right, and then we just improve it about this PMMA from here to there. Okay, it's nice combination from the one-stop from the doctors that we fabricated from here. That's great to go. Okay, PMMA, we fix it with here, the color, which is you gave me. This, we tried to make this color, but composite is a little tough. But it's much, you see, this photo compared to this. Okay, number 2, then we changed the colors quite a bit. Okay, so make natural as possible compared to denture teeth, because we saw the lower teeth is more grayish and more translucency color. Number 3, we add it here, like you said, and we add it here. Okay, let me know. Improvement from the before and after tissue, contour, color. Add this. So then lower teeth. Just make it's like that. Tissue. Okay, so from the digital, as you saw, our previous videotapes, his doctor sent to us this prototype. So we made the PMMA types of conversions. We skipped the wax try-in at the first stage after conversion, and then we fabricate the PMMA, which is patients likes that. So we're trying to mimic with this kind of a color, but a little bit change this color slightly and make a little bit more translucency. So After the doctor tried in the patient's mouth and still had the issue with the pink color and the shape and the value. So now we changed the color from the matching the lower, kind of little pinkish is different color tone with the texture too. And then we make the enhanced translucency, even though this is monolithic, it's a too long span panic. So we finished that one from the all together is second trips. Okay, so this is the, even though it's still sticking out, that's why we have a limited with a layer. And then this is the finers, and then Dr. Vargas will going to put it into the patient's mouth. All right, that's good. Case done.
So this gentleman had all upper teeth extracted. I got the full zirconia hybrid from Luke, and it looks amazing. I'm gonna go over here, and we can just see the detail in it. I'll zoom in. It's just beautiful. So here's the hybrid, zirconia hybrid installed. 6 implants, Straumann BLX on multi-units, and zirconia, I think layered. Turned out gorgeous. Let's see what's under the hood. And there it is, lips retracted. Beautiful ceramics, beautiful work. Patient is super happy with that.